Hello, my name is Claudia Chica. I'm the owner of Health and Hope Institute. Today we're going to talk about platelet-rich plasma skin injections for rejuvenation. The difference between the Vine-Part facial or the microneedling with plasma is that the injections go deeper into the skin and the muscle layers to affect the fat cells to make them grow so that they can support the tensile strength of the collagen and make the collagen fibers really strong, and also to get more volume to the skin. Like sometimes because of aging, we see that the skin is sagging and a lot of the volume, especially from the cheeks, is lost. The plasma really helps build up those fat cells in every place where we apply it, again giving more support to the collagen fibers and actually providing the collagen with that tensile strength that we know. If we were to remove the fat cells, the collagen will be very weak and fragile and could actually be ruptured very easily with just manual traction. This has been shown in research. Another important thing is that there are many components in the platelets that help us with wound healing. There are some growth factors, and I have some of the names here: epidermal growth factor, transforming growth factor, vascular endothelial growth factor, fibroblast growth factor, interleukins, macrophages, and many other substances that are antiseptic and modulate the immune system, preventing the risk of infection during the injections. Plasma is an antiseptic because it's a substance that has intelligence, its own wisdom, and it knows how to heal the tissues in our body and what to do to help us repair and regenerate and rejuvenate. Platelet-rich plasma is mainly used to diminish the wrinkles and the lines along the skin of the face, the lower eyelids, the sides of the mouth, the neck, the hands. It also helps when there's scar tissue, especially on stretch marks or surgical incisions, and also acne scarring. Platelet-rich plasma also helps diminish the appearance of hyperpigmentation and sunspots caused by drastic exposure to the sun and the sun damage that comes with it. Platelet-rich plasma also diminishes the size of the pores. So if somebody has had a lot of acne and the pores have been left open and wide, the plasma will regenerate and smooth the skin a lot. One of the main benefits we see is that because of the regeneration of the blood supply in an area and the increase in collagen production, there's a general revitalized glow on the skin and the skin looks more youthful. So this actually increases people's confidence and happiness because you're feeling healthier and you actually look much better and younger. And we need several treatments for these benefits, but when we do 3 to 4 sessions spaced with the proper timing to allow the cells to grow up to a point before we come in with another session to revitalize them, these long-term benefits could last for about 18 months to 2 years. Patients usually come back to have a reinforcement or a retouch session after 2 years. So just think about the possibilities. If you would like to increase the volume of your skin, if you see that the skin is sagging, or if there are wrinkles that are very deep and you're not feeling that comfortable or that happy, maybe the plasma can give you a very gentle lift. It doesn't look like you had surgery or you are a different person. You don't look like something made you up. It's different. It's a very gentle change, a very gentle progression. It's a very slow growth and redefinition of the tissues, a gentle rejuvenation. So people notice that something has changed And sometimes they don't know how to pinpoint it, but they say, wow, you look definitely younger and happier or more vital. And this is actually the goal. We don't want to cause drastic changes where we look like we're not ourselves, we're somebody else different. Many of these other treatments could give you results very fast, but the changes are dramatic. With plasma, the results are seen in a very gradual way. It's a slow progression, but it's constant. And for many people, this might be a better solution than the other fillers that are used in the industry. And let me clarify that plasma is not a filler, even though gradually with several treatments it may lift the volume and increase the areas that have lost some volume. It is not a filler per se. Like, we don't inject it and then we cause the inflammation with the augmentation during the procedure and then you stay like that. No, the inflammation actually goes away within a day and a half to 2 days, and the cells are just going to get all these nutrients and start feeling more revitalized and regenerating and producing new cells, new layers of tissues. And this is where the growth happens, to stimulate the skin and to improve its appearance and its condition. But it's a gradual process. If we want to increase the volume, we may need several sessions. And in general, for best results, we may need several sessions. Always the first result is going to give us an example of how your skin rejuvenates and how it responds. And from there, we can actually sit together and decide what is the best course of treatment for you in order to get the objectives that you want together. We will also encourage you to have other modalities that support the healing, like microcurrent electrical stimulation, massage, nutrition, detoxification, and frequent facials so that you keep your clean skin and you also keep it revitalized. And anything that we can provide, the latest technology, even some substances that we can inject on their own, like hyaluronic acid, other nutraceuticals, minerals, or vitamins, that could help you continue on your path of rejuvenation so that the long-term result is healthier, younger, more glowing, more vital, more beautiful skin. For a younger you with the power of nature, we are here to serve you. Thank you.